watermelon patch. As you can see, it's going up the fence and it goes down. This is the whole thing. There was one going on the fence. There's one right down there. There's several more in there which I can't get to right now. Here's one right here. Another big one. There's a smaller, a different variety green one right there. This is where that's where it's planted at. We're just right there. And as we go around, it took over my cucumber trellis. I just let it. And there's another one you can see going right there. There's one down there. There's several in there, but this is it. This is the watermelon patch. And I'm training it to grow up as much as possible.